Hello everyone, today we make a video to let you know how to assemble the display one by one. Firstly, we need to remove the box out, this one, to cover, take it away. Yeah, so this is all the parts of the display inside the box, like this. In order to avoid the damage of the powder coating, so we need to find the cardboard or PVC on the top of the wooden box, so this will protect the powder coating. Now we put the three panels on the top of the box, so we need to pay attention to the side of the panels. Firstly, this is the middle one, the small one in the middle, two big ones on the left and right. Put the side without aluminum stone walls on the top. Take off screws on the middle panel so the small metal sheets for left and right panels can be inserted into the gap. Okay, we push this side panel to the middle one by this way. Check. Slowly. Make sure the holes on the same line. Assemble the head to the main board with screws one by one. There are 6 screws in total on the top. Assemble the base to the main board with screws. Now we lock the wheels with the base together by this way. Please pay attention. We put the 4 wheels with the braking on the corners. The brake on the corners, 4 corners. There are totally 7 wheels on the base. Now we lock the head holder with the side panel by this way. We check. Assemble one side panel to the body by this way. We need to hang on the 2 hooks before the display stand vertically. Check. It's okay. Before we turn up the display, we need to hang on the hooks firstly by this way. This is another side, same way. Display by 4 or 5 people by this way. Assemble another side panel to the main body by locking screws on the top and the bottom. Other side with the display. Assemble 2 graphics on the panels by fixing screws one by one. Hang on all hooks to the display. We make very strong wooden box to protect the display racks. 1 box for 1 set of display. This is just one of thousands of displays we made. We can customize the displays according to your requirement, your product. Every 20 feet container can ship 24 displays inside.